Good morning students, and we are here with a new video which is about electronics. And do you know electronics is fun to create, right? So today what I will do is I am going to teach you, or I am going to tell you, like how can we make use of the electronics using the softwares, right? So what we will do is we will start off with our journey with a small device, and the name of that device is LED, that is light emitting diode. So basically, when I'm talking about light emitting diode, what does that mean? It is a semiconductor device that emits light when the current flows through it, right? So it's so easy to understand that. Now before I go ahead, I would just like to make you understand like how it looks, right? How it emits light and all. So basically it has two terminals. One is the longer one and one is the shorter one. The longer one is the positive one, and the smaller one which we are talking about, it is the negative one, right? So these are the two terminals. The positive one is also known as anode, and the negative one is also known as cathode, right? So what happens is, see, I have also put in a small diagram for you just to understand that how it looks. So it is so colorful and it comes in different colors, right? So that's what it is. Now suppose what we will do is we'll try to connect it with a battery. So what happens over here is, basically when you try to connect it through a battery, the LED may have a disadvantage that it may get burned, right? So the best way to connect this LED through a battery is using a resistor. So why we use a resistor is because resistor is used when we connect the LED with the battery, right? And this resistor provides us the required voltage to the LED. Now I will show you like how can we design this kind of a circuit using a simple Arduino. So first let us understand what is Arduino. Okay, so when we talk about Arduino, it is actually an open source electronic prototyping platform which enables the users to create interactive electronic objects. And what do you see over here is, like when I clicked on this start simulation, my LED is glowing. And if you observe carefully, this LED is glowing for a continuous manner, right? In a continuous fashion. Now what I'll do is I'll show you the code here, like how it happens, how things are happening. See, first of all, it is written for forever. Secondly, it is written. This is a comment basically, right? Whatever is written in the gray cell, that is a comment. And this is the command which is happening, right? That means it is high means it is glowing and low means it is not glowing. And we are waiting for 1 second. Now suppose we have to make another circuit, right? So we'll go to new, we'll go to circuit, and basically I'm going to show you like how can we connect a bulb in the circuit. So let's drag this up, and when you drag it up, we'll then connect bulb to it. So you can search the bulb in the accessories mode. So once you get the bulb, you can drag it over here, say first, then you can just place it properly. And then suppose I need to do the fashion in I want to show it to you in the 3 bulbs. So I am connecting these 3 bulbs simultaneously. Okay, so what is the way of connecting is, this is a digital terminal. So we'll connect the terminal 2 of the first bulb with the any terminal. So maybe in this case I have D10, right? So what I'll do is I will take this and connect it to D10. That's my digital terminal 10. Then I'll go to the second bulb and take its second terminal and connect it to another digital terminal. It can be any, right? So in this case, whatever I have taken. Same ways, I'll go to the third bulb and connect its second terminal to the digital terminal 4. Now, all the first terminals, we will connect it to the ground. And if you see, here it is written GND. GND stands for ground. So, first terminal of the first bulb connected to the ground, second terminal of the second bulb connected to the ground, and third terminal of the first terminal of the third bulb with the ground. So that's how we connect it. Now you have connected it, but now you have to write the code as well. So we'll go to code and we'll start. So I just want to do it, say for the first time only. Just when it gets started. So what I'll do is, I will put this. I will say, okay, set pin. So which pin it is connected? The first bulb is connected to which pin? 10. And high. High means it should glow. And then I will wait for 1 second. And then I want this bulb to stop glowing and the second bulb to start glowing. So in that case, what will I do? I will put this set pin, again the 10th pin, and make it low. And I want the second bulb should glow. So in that case, what will I do? I will again take it the same thing. And what is the terminal of the second bulb? The terminal of the second bulb is 8. So 8, and this time I will make it high because this time it will glow. Again, we'll wait for 1 second. Now, this time what I want, the second bulb should stop glowing. So obviously, terminal 8, I will make it as low. And this time, what should happen? The third bulb should start glowing. So in that case, I will go back again, set the pin. It is connected to the fourth one. Oh, I'm really sorry. I have taken the wrong value thing. So please delete it and take the pin one, the second one. Yeah. So here you can take the fourth digital pin and make it high. Now again we'll wait for the 1 second and this should also stop glowing, right? So we will come back and set the pin to low. The fourth pin, the last bulb pin, should be set to low. So that's how the code is written. Now we'll close this off and we'll start the simulation. So let's check it. Can you see? Wow, they are glowing. But what happened? They just glue, one time, and now they are not happening in the repeated fashion. Suppose I want to do it in the repeated fashion, what will I do? I will make it in the forever loop. In case you want to repeat it for a particular time, you can take this repeat button also. But since I want to do it forever way, so that's why I'm putting it in the forever loop. And I will remove this start button. Even if you keep it, that's not a problem, but it's better to delete it. Let's start the simulation now. See, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's how they are glowing. And they are glowing in the continuous fashion because the code is written in such a way. Alright, so I hope you have liked my experiment with electronics. Please let me know, do you want more videos on this? Thank you so much. I hope you've